Students, I am Varsha Patil, working as Assistant Professor in Adsul's Technical Campus. Today, we are going to discuss about our 6th unit of Automobile Engineering, that is Electrical and Hybrid Vehicles. What is the need of the electrical hybrid vehicles nowadays? We know that we are over dependent on the petrol and diesel. Rising the petrol, we know that the prices are rising of the petrol and diesel, due to which pollution, it results to the pollution and global warming. Noise in conventional vehicles, due to which the noise pollution also happens. Need of alternate power, so we are in the need of alternate power source and in the need of eco-friendly electrical vehicles and hybrid electrical vehicles. Now, what is electrical vehicles? An electrical vehicle is an automobile that is propelled by one or more electric motor using the electrical energy stored in the energy stored or storage device or reservoir. The primary component are motor, controller, power or power source and transmission. This is the block diagram of an electrical vehicle system. We can see in the block diagram, it starts with the charger, means which need for the battery, and it starts with the battery which gives power to the power converter or drive control signals, comes to the power converter, it transmit to electrical motor, and electrical motor transmit that power to the drive shaft, and drive shaft transmit that power or that motion to the wheels. This is what an electrical vehicle system. Now, what are the advantages of it? No gas required for the vehicle to be drive, no emission, cost is effective, low maintenance, payback period, low noise. Now, disadvantages. These are having high initial cost, many times that conventional vehicles did not have. Short driving range inexfinity, means the charging, if the vehicle get discharged early, then we need to charge it, and if charger is not available or the charging point is not available, we cannot charge that vehicle, and we have to do short driving. So, recharging takes much longer time than refueling gas oil, lack of charging infrastructure, means as earlier discussed that it need so time, means it may need one night to charge that vehicle. Again, battery pack takes place and weight of the vehicle with otherwise is available to the people. These are the disadvantages. Now, concept of the hybridization means dual, multiple source of the power, making ICE work in the most effective range. Sizing of the motor and ICE lower compared to the conventional vehicle and electrical vehicle. Now, hybrid vehicle. The hybrid vehicles in the general refers to vehicle with 2 or 3 different type of source delivering power to the wheels of the propulsion. The most common hybrid vehicle have IC engine and one or more electric machines for vehicle propulsion. The IC engine can be used to generate the electric energy on the board to power the machines. Now, classification. The classification of that electrical vehicles are based on the path of energy flow, means mechanical power transmission path, MPTP, we may say it as MPTP, electrical power transmission path, EPTP, and the combination of the MPTP and EPTP. These are the 3 types of the electrical vehicle which is based on the path of the energy flow. Now, second is based on architecture, means based on architecture means structure, series, first one is series, second is parallel, and third one is combination of both, that is series and parallel. Now again it is classified on the degree of hybridization, mild, power and energy. And second last is charge depleting and charge sustaining. Now we will discuss about MPTP. Now what is MPTP? It is nothing but the mechanical power transmission path. The word is mechanical, means there are maybe more mechanical devices used in this type of vehicle. The primary powertrain component in the conventional ICE vehicle are engine and transmission. These are two mechanical devices. The energy flow in the vehicle starts from the source of energy and ends at the wheel with the delivery of propulsion power known as a power transmission. See, in the block diagram we can see fuel is transmitted to the internal combustion engine, that is mechanical part, in which in IC engine the spark is produced and power is generated, which is transmitted to the transmission and it converts to the coupling devices, and coupling device transmit it to the wheel, that due to which the vehicle can move from one place to another place. Now electrical power transmission path, that is EPTP. In the electrical vehicle, power transmission is also electrical except for coupling, except for the coupling device between the electrical propulsion motor and wheels. The coupling device can simply be a great gear to match the electrical machine's speed to vehicle speed. See, the energy storage means reservoir is connected to the electrical machine and drive, which transmit the power to coupling device, and coupling device transmit to the wheel. See, we can see in the diagram this process is reversible, means the power or the motion which is not which can be reversible, means power come from wheels stored in the or transmit to the coupling device, and coupling device transmit it to the electrical machine and it transmit to the energy store, means we can save the energy which is going to be lost. Now combination of MPTP and EPTP. The propulsion power is transmitted to the wheels through either MPTP or EPTP or combination of both. The MPTP is associated with an IC engine and transmission, whereas EPTP consists of the energy storage system and generator, propulsion, motor and transmission. See, we can see this type of vehicle, means hybrid electrical vehicle powertrain. Here both type of system is used, mechanical as well as electrical. This is in the very first left hand side we see the box, that in that we can see it is internal combustion engine which is connected to the transmission, and internal combustion engine produces the power which goes to the transmission, means gear train, and it is then further transmitted to the coupling devices, and then coupling devices transmit that power to the wheel, that means the vehicle can move with that power. So in the electrical type of vehicle we can see the power comes from the IC engine taken by the electrical generator. It generates and converts that energy, mechanical energy, into electrical energy. Energy is stored, and then further whenever it is needed, that time the electrical machines collect that power from the storage device, that is reservoir, and then transmit to the coupling device, and then again it transmit to the wheels whenever it is required. Now series HEV, hybrid electrical vehicle. A series hybrid is one in which only one energy converted can be provided propulsion power. Only electrical motor provides all propulsion power to the wheels. The downsize IC drives the generator, which supplements batteries and charge them when it falls below the certain charge level. The drawback is size of the traction motor, which as to be rated for the maximum power requirement of the